Hello guys, so welcome to this brand new video. So here we are. I'm already in the Scratch site. So let's continue with it. So this is the part 3 of basics in Scratch. So how about we just start it? So I'm going to sign in to my account and I'm going to my stuff, and here just go to video, go to the same project I was in, just name it video 3. Okay, so as you remember, you must have seen the last video, Scratch tutorial part 2. So if you have not seen the video, watch the video. So click on the subscribe button to see my previous videos. Okay, guys, so let's begin. So the roosters, I'll just delete the rooster, and how about the basketball? So okay, so I just add a new sprite. I'll add maybe a batter. Okay, so as you remember, so we had completed motions and also the events and also the control. We had started the controls, of course. We are not finished all of them, but we've started. Motions almost done, events almost done, and control we just started it. So we know these 3, I suppose. Okay, so now of course we're going to learn a new component. So which gonna be, it's not gonna be my blocks variable. So this will be doing it in the advanced level classes. But for now, the basics are motion, look, sound, event, control. So these. Okay, so this class we're gonna be doing looks. As you can see, we're gonna be doing looks, and it's pretty easy actually. In this section, it's gonna be very easy. For the basics, it's gonna be super easy, but advanced, of course, it's also gonna be easy, but a little more tougher at the advanced. So okay, so look. So what does it look? So you're thinking that maybe it looks. It has various things. So you may think, yeah, you can change the look of the character. Yes, of course you can change it using these blocks right here. Of course, but you can also make it talk, speak. So here, as you can see, you can make it speak. Say hello for 2 seconds. Before that, of course, you have to add an event. I'll just add when space kick. Okay, fine. I'll just add when flag clicked. Add it here. Start. Say hello for 2 seconds. Look, hello. Showing hello. So you can do that. It's pretty easy. So you guys know how to drag the blocks and just switch it up. So that's pretty easy. So now say hello for 2 seconds. So this is a limited time. What if I say hello? So it'll be just saying hello for a lot of time until you change it. Of course, look, say hello. It's gonna be showing for unlimited seconds. Look, it's still showing. So of course it's gonna show for unlimited seconds because they're not showing a limited time here. So here it say hello for 2 seconds. So you can change it for 1,000 seconds, but then it'll still say for 1,000 seconds. You can't like show infinity seconds or whatever. So you want to be for unlimited time, then click on say hello. Not for a few seconds or anything. So you can change it. So it's not like, wait, I'll just bring this in here. So it's like not like it should be hello. You can change it to other words to be like hi or whatever, anything. So I'm just trying hi. Let's say this. Let's look at this. 2 seconds. I'll say hi. Saying hi. Now it changed to hello because I put this hello here. So you can change the hello also here, right here. Wait a second, I'll just drop it. So you can say it to bye. There's there for unlimited time. And for maybe 10 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just wait for 10 seconds. It's pretty simple. Look, it's going on. You better count it. So you just want to see proof it's for 10 seconds. So if you want to do that, just count it. Okay, so it's all fine, right? So I'm gonna delete this. Okay, so now, so next think for 2 seconds. So what is think? Let me say think. Hi. Okay. So look, what is going to happen? So okay, look at this. It's getting pretty interesting. As you can see, look, he's not speaking. He's just thinking. As you can see here, right? I'll just bring in think. Look, look here. So as you can see, look, it's thinking. So that's why those see those 2 dots here. So you'll be thinking. So you can do add. So if you want him to say hello, then then just click on say. Or if you want him to think, just add think. Block here. So I'm gonna delete this. Say it's just almost the same as saying. I mean, it's almost the same. You can write it, you can change it, you can do the seconds. And there's another block which for infinity seconds. Okay, so now next is switch costume to batter D. So what is batter D? What is batter A? So of course I don't think you must be knowing it if you have seen this video. So switch costume to batter A. Okay, so let's go to costumes. So as you can see, here are the costumes. So there are different costumes here. It's the same sprite, but then like it's the costumes of it. I mean, changing action. So you can like make it switch. So make it hit. Look, I'll just show you one. I'll show you pretty interesting. Look, which costume to batter A? It's already in batter A. Switch. What is it? Switch costume to batter B. Look. So you can do all that pretty fast as you want. If you want to see it pretty, do it fast. I'll show you it. The batter is 3 enough from batter A. So batter C and batter D. Okay. Right here. Ready, set, go. As you saw him, right? So you don't see him hit first. You don't see him change to batter B and batter C. You saw him in batter D. Look. Okay, wait. And I'll switch costume to batter A. What's happening? Do you guys know what's happening? I don't think you know what's happening. See, it's pretty easy. It's like pretty fun. You don't exactly know what's happening. Just look. It's the actions, right? It happens very fast. Like it happened like in seconds. Boom. So it happened like in milliseconds. It happens like this super fast. It's not visible to the side. So you're just thinking why they just stuck there. He's not stuck there. Actually, he moved a lot. He went to costume A to B and to D again. So it happened like in seconds. It's in milliseconds. It happened like whoosh. So like this happens very fast. If you want to see it like in slowly, you want to see it in eyes, just go to controls and bring a wait 1 second. Go to controls and bring wait 1 second. If you want to see what's happening exactly, wait 1 second, wait 1 second, wait 1 second. Yep. Look. He's performing that. If you remove the wait 1 second, sorry. Just removing the wait 1 second. Okay, where D? I forgot. Look, now it's just doing seconds. So if we want to like make it visible, like how we are switching it, add wait block. Okay, so actually every sprite has it. a costume for himself. Beach ball. Beach ball. No. Every character has it. Every character, I mean humans, or look, this is what we have. This has, so if you want to see which has a costume, I'll show you how to see it. Go here. Look, as you can see, this thing is moving. This here, right here, this girl, this boy is not moving. So that means he has only one costume. This girl must have many costumes, few costumes. This girl also has a few costumes. This guy also has a few costumes. This apple has nothing. This arrow has. This girl has. This girl has. This ball also has. This girl has. This balloon has. This banana doesn't have. This baseball does not have. This basketball does not have. This bat has. So to see if the object is moving, then you realize if it has a costume. This doesn't have, but it has. But it has. So okay, so you know, of course, now you know what's happening. I'm just going back. So should I? Oh yeah, I'll show you the cat sprite. This is the cat. Oh yes, this cat has two costumes, I suppose. Yes, two costumes. You want to see this cat moving? I'll just show you. And events block this, and then go to looks, switch costume to cat A, cat B. Okay, so now look, this happened in seconds. Go to control, bring a wait 1 second. Now you see. Did you see what happened? Look, moved, came back, moved, came back. So now you can see what's happening. Otherwise you can't see, it's invisible to naked eyes. So look, so now next, change. So now look, or if you just are in a particular costume, so if the character has two costumes, let me just delete this, character has two costumes, then just click on next costume. See, next costume, next costume, next costume. You can just add this next costume blocks, many of the next costumes. So I just go to this pattern, delete this, get next costume, get the next costume, next costume, next costume. Look here. Oh, sorry. Wait, mistake. I just added, how about, add one of the costumes. Look, it changed. So now you can see it. So you can add next costume. Wait, then I'll go to controls. Bring away 1 second. Then again go to looks and bring next costume. Look, now look what happens. It's in this costume. Move. Then hit three of them. So now wait, now one more costume is there, so I'll go to controls and bring, wait 1 second, and go to looks and bring next costume. Now, look, the last shot. This. So as you can see, so that's it. Okay, so now, so as you can see, so now we can also change the size of it. You can change the size of it if you want to increase the size, change size by 10, change by 30. So click on it. Look, it's increased size, increased. So now how do you decrease it? It's just click on -30. Look, -30 just came back to its normal size. I decreased. I clicked on the flag this time. Look at this. It's the tiniest form. It's like almost can't see it if it's a red background. like just a dot. Okay, so just increase the size. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. So hope you liked this video. So in the end screen of this video you can see my previous videos. So this is a playlist, so you can see the next of my videos after this. So hope you like, subscribe, share to this channel. So don't forget to click on the bell icon. Bye.